Hello everyone, today we'll show you how to transfer ownership of a Discord server. So let's go straight into it. So the first thing you have to do, of course, is open Discord and go to the specific server you want to transfer ownership of. On the right side of your screen, you can see the members. Beside your username, you can find a crown icon indicating that you are the owner of the server. Now that we're sure that we're the owner of the server, let's move on to the next step. Click the server name on the top left corner right here and click Server Settings. Once here, go down till you find User Management and click on Members. Now that you're here, you can find all the members on this server. So to give him ownership, just click the three dots right here on the right and click on Transfer Ownership. Once you click that, it will ask you if you're sure that you want to transfer ownership to this user. Once you're sure, just click the button right here to acknowledge it and then click Transfer Ownership, and now the ownership has been officially transferred. If you find this video informative, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.